Australia. On the 2nd of April 2009, Eddie Pengelly coined a new term while he was investigating the PEG project claim that an early 1990s computer and these data disks were seen back in the past by many ancient people. DOOPArt is an acronym for Documented Out of Place Artifact, and is where these modern objects were physically seen back in the past and were documented, such as computer parts depicted by the ancient Egyptians, and a drawing of a clear plastic CD case being held in the hand in the early 1800s, before plastic was invented, being the out of place in a different time aspect. These modern items are reported in many ancient stories and described in many religious texts. As previous host of this study group, Eddie invited people to attend a workshop to personally view where pictures from this CD-ROM are documented in 10 ancient texts, including 4 from the Bible. A condensed version of this workshop is available online, where you first examine extracted descriptions from a text, list them, then compare them to CD-ROM pictures, provide your response to each, resulting in an overall score. Will your total scores validate the claim that in selected verses from these 10 ancient stories, this modern object is a documented out-of-place artifact? More details online via thepegproject.com/DOOPArt.